Hi everyone, welcome to our 5-minute bioinformatics video. Today, I'll show you how to quickly identify bacterial species using NCBI's Nucleotide BLAST, fully updated for 2026. Whether you're a student, a researcher, or just curious about microbiology, by the end of this video, you'll know how to go from a raw DNA sequence to a confident species ID in just a few minutes. We'll cover every step, from pasting your sequence into BLAST, selecting the right database, to interpreting the results, so you can get accurate matches without any confusion. Even if this is your first time using BLAST, you'll be able to follow along easily and start identifying bacteria right away. First, open your browser and go to the NCBI BLAST website. On the home page, click Nucleotide BLAST, since we're working with DNA sequences, not protein. Next, take the 16S ribosomal RNA sequence you obtained earlier and copy it into the BLAST query box. Give a job title to the task. Select the database. In this assignment, we will select the ribosomal RNA/ITS database. Select the MagaBLAST program. And then click the BLAST button. The job title, selected program and query ID will be displayed here. Once the BLAST search is complete, the results are organized into 4 main tabs: description, graphic summary, alignment, and taxonomy. Next, review the top match carefully. Check the E-value, the percent identity, and the number of gaps to make sure the match is reliable. Click on BLAST Suite button to perform another search. Paste the second gene sequence onto the Search tab. For the second task, select the standard databases. Select the core nucleotide database. And then click the BLAST button. Again, the job title, selected program and query ID will be displayed here. You may download the complete genome or only the aligned sequence for further analysis. Check the distance tree report to view the phylogenetic tree. The BLAST results indicate that the query gene is closely related to sequences from the genus Microbial. Please refer to the credits and citations in the description. For more in-depth learning, you can visit the NCBI BLAST YouTube channel displayed on this slide, where you'll find detailed tutorials and step-by-step guidance. Thank you for viewing and don't forget to subscribe.